In today's digital world, we interact with websites and online services every day. But have you ever wondered what those HTTP or HTTPS prefixes in web addresses really mean? Let's break it down simply. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's the traditional, non-secure method used to access websites. When you visit a site with http:// the data sent between your browser and the website is not encrypted. This means it can potentially be intercepted and read by others. HTTPS, the S stands for secure. It's the safer version of HTTP. When you visit a site with https:// your data is encrypted, making it much harder for anyone to steal or manipulate. Today, many sites, especially those handling sensitive data like payment information, use HTTPS for added security. Why should you care about HTTPS? When you connect to a website via HTTPS, your browser communicates with the server through a secure connection. This ensures that the data being sent is protected from prying eyes. It's highly recommended to prioritize sites that use HTTPS, especially if you're entering personal information like passwords or payment details. Keeping your browser updated. Even with HTTPS, vulnerabilities still exist, especially if your web browser is out of date. Browsers interpret and display the content they receive from websites. But if a browser isn't regularly updated, it can become a target for malicious content or hackers exploiting security flaws. For example, imagine visiting a website that contains malware. If your browser has a known vulnerability, that malware can take advantage of the flaw, potentially causing your browser to crash or even opening the door to more serious problems, like a data breach or system compromise. Simple prevention steps. 1. Prioritize HTTPS sites. Always make sure the websites you visit display HTTPS:// in the URL, especially when you're handling sensitive information. 2. Update your browser regularly. This ensures you're protected against the latest vulnerabilities. Most browsers update automatically, but it's worth checking your settings to make sure. 3. Stay vigilant. If a website seems slow or unresponsive, it might be an issue with the browser or the site itself. But in some cases, this could signal a deeper problem, such as a browser flaw being exploited. In conclusion, securing your browsing experience starts with simple actions like using HTTPS websites and keeping your browser up to date. These measures help protect you from cyber threats and ensure a safer, smoother online experience. Stay safe, stay secure.